Hello, good morning once again, and you're most welcome to the 5 minute vocabulary series. And today is the day 14, and in the day 13, we discussed these three words. The first one was accede, means to agree or to accept the request, proposal, or demand, something like this. Second was acclaim, means like to praise or welcome somebody or something publicly. And the third one was acclimatize, means to get used to the new place, situation, or the weather. These three were used. But in that video of the day 13, I made a mistake for which I ask an apology and want to correct that when I was saying or discussing the word acclaim, one derivative word I told was acclamation. It means was the act of electing somebody using a spoken vote and not the written vote. But I made a mistake in a spelling that I wrote acclaim, CLAIM, but actually it is the correct one without I. This was the acclamation. And now let's begin the day 14. The first word of today is predicament. Today we will consider only two words, predicament, and second is flounder. This is a noun. I hope you understand the difference between the noun and a verb. This is a verb. This is a particular situation. It's a particular situation, difficult situation. And this is how you are reacting in a difficult situation. Means you are either floundering or not floundering in a predicament. Okay, let's begin. The first word is predicament. The synonym of this word is like dilemma or quandary. Quandary. This is also used for the same kind of situations. Sometime you will see some examples of the news like this. I am in a terrible predicament, or I was in a terrible predicament. Means I was in a very difficult situation, very unpleasant situation, or it was difficult to know what to do next. Or say I was in a dilemma. Like you will see the club's financial predicament. Okay, again used as a noun. One more example you will see. Rohit was in a predicament that either should he go or should not he. I used here deliberately the word quandary because it is the synonym. Rohit was in a quandary, should he go or should not he. The next example is again, she is hoping to get a loan from her bank to help her out of her financial predicament. Okay, I hope this is enough. The second is flaunt. Again, this is used as a verb to struggle to know what to say or do or how to continue with something. Like this is again, you are struggling in a difficult situation. Like for example, you are giving a speech and you suddenly found that the page on which you have written your speech is missing. Now you might be floundering. See example, he lost the next page of his speech and floundered around or about for a few seconds. One more example you can see. Although his business was a success, his marriage was floundering. He resigned as chairman, leaving the company floundering. Or she was giving a speech and suddenly subject was being changed, so she was floundering. His abrupt change of the subject left her floundering helplessly, because he prepared for one subject and abrupt change in the subject left her floundering helplessly. The second meaning is like to have a lot of problems and to be in danger of failing completely. Like at that time, the industry was in a very difficult time or floundering. To struggle to move, suppose you are in a water or mud and you are struggling to move, you are not unable to move. In that situation, also this word is used. Like she was floundering around the deep end of swimming pool. And there is a one small flat sea fish also, which is used as a food, name as flounder. Okay, you can take a screenshot if you want. Thank you very much. And one more thing, like there are some places where you can do the spelling mistake, like quantity, there is not dry, it is dary. There was like completely, okay, completely it is TELY and not the TLY. Okay, thank you very much.